South African music sensation Tyla has made history by debuting on the prestigious Billboard Hot 100 chart with her viral hit single, Water. What makes this even more special is that Tyla is the first solo South African artist to grace this chart in 55 years since jazz legend Hugh Masikila's Grazing in the Grass. At just 21 years old, she's also the youngest musician from South Africa to achieve this incredible feat. The Billboard Hot 100 is a weekly ranking of the most popular songs across various genres in the United States. Water started gaining traction in August when Tyla, whose full name is Tyla Laura Seethal, began sharing TikTok videos of herself dancing to the song. This track is a fusion of genres, blending Afrobeats, pop, R&B, and amapiano, a South African style of electronic dance music. Its catchy beats took TikTok by storm, inspiring the viral Water Dance Challenge that has been featured in over 500,000 videos on the platform. This challenge also brought global attention to the South African Bacardi dance routine, created by choreographer Liche Janek. It's a vibrant dance that includes hip shaking, belly dancing, twerking, and legwork while pouring water down one's back. Tyla's dance to her song on TikTok garnered a whopping 70 million views. The official music video for Water racked up over 1 million views on YouTube in just one day after its release on October 6. This marks the first time a South African female artist has achieved this milestone, according to the World Music Awards. Tyla has become a rising star with over 3.6 million YouTube views and 10.7 million monthly Spotify listeners. Water didn't stop at the Hot 100. It also made waves on other music charts in the US and UK, including the Billboard Afrobeats and R&B charts. Tyla's previous tracks, like Been Thinking and Girl Next Door, featuring Nigerian Afrobeat star Ira Star, have also enjoyed success. What's more, earlier this year, Tyla was the opening act for Chris Brown's Under the Influence music tour in Europe. And there's more to come. Tyla plans to drop her first album in November, promising even more exciting music for her growing fan base. In conclusion, Tyla's historic Billboard Hot 100 debut with Water is not just a win for her but a momentous occasion for South African and African music on the global stage. Keep an eye out for this rising musical talent as she continues to put her country and the entire continent on the map in the world of music.